Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. Again, I have the all new Samsung Galaxy A25 5G, and guys, and this is the second smartphone that was launched in the Samsung A series in 2024, and this phone is costing around only 90,500 PKR in the Pakistan market. So in this price range, we have 256 GB of internal storage with 8 GB of RAM, and the color I have is a light blue color. And this phone also manufactured in Pakistan. So you can see again we have a really slim box. So without any wasting time, let's quickly unbox the Galaxy A25 5G. And this phone also available in other colors, but right now I have the light blue color of the Galaxy A25. And now let's open this box, and first let me remove the plastic. And now let's open this box. So on the top we have mini box. So inside of this box we should have a cable only. Yes, it is. We have a quick start guide as well as a USB-C to USB-C cable, and this phone only support 25-watt fast charging. And here is the Galaxy A25 5G in the light blue color, and this phone feels more heavier as compared to the Galaxy A15. So now let's out the phone from the paper, and now let's out the phone from this wrapping. So here's the Galaxy A25. As you can see on the back, again we have a matte finish, but on the back we have these lines, as you can see, if you can see that, but I cannot feel that with my finger. Again on the back we have a triple cameras. And now let's quickly boot this phone up. We have any juice or not? Yes, Samsung logo it is here. Also inside the box is our simulation tool. Again, we don't get any charger. Also we don't get any silicone case, which is a very disappointing. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone, as well as headphone jack. On the left hand side we have our SIM tray. Let's look at the SIM tray. So as you can see, again we have hybrid SIM slot, so you can use one micro SD card with 1 nano sims or 2 nano sims at the same time. So on the top we have noise cancellation microphone, and also on the right hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have fingerprint scanner. Again you can see we have a flat frame, but you can see around the buttons we have a rounded frame. Again the back is made up of plastic. And now let's talk about the display. Again this one has a 6.5 inch Full HD plus Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate. Also we have 1000 nits of high brightness. Again we have Infinity U display. I wish that we have punch hole on this phone, because every single smartphone in this price range has a punch hole, and the bottom chin it is also really big on this phone. I don't like the screen to body ratio on this phone. And other than that we have Super AMOLED display with 120 Hz, which is a good thing. And this phone also is powered by Samsung Exynos 1280 SoC, which is same as the Galaxy A53 5G, which was launched only 2 years ago. So now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and it's the first boot of the Samsung A25 5G. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, again this phone has a Super AMOLED display. Now let's see max brightness. Yes, and the display looks really bright, also really gorgeous, and the colors looks absolutely gorgeous. Also we have NFC support, you can see that. And let me go to the settings. Now let's go about phone, software information. This one is running on Android 14. Also we have One UI 6.0. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This one has a fingerprint scanner inside the power button. Again this one has a really fast fingerprint scanner, but again in this price range we also have smartphones that give you in-display fingerprint scanner. And now let's see the internal storage. So this one has a 256 GB of internal storage, and out of 236 GB it is available for you guys. And now let's look at the camera. Again this phone has a 50 megapixel OIS main camera on the back. We have 8 megapixel ultra wide. Also we have 2 megapixel macro. So here's the main camera looks like, really good. And here is our 8 megapixel ultra wide, really wide. We also have a 2x option. And here is the portrait mode, and here is the fun mode. Here is the video mode. So the back camera also shoot 4K at 30 fps. We also have a 1080p 60 fps, and this is a new thing I would say. And here is a super steady mode, which give you a better video stabilization. Although we have OIS with the back camera. So in the mode section we also have pro mode, we also have pro video mode, single take, night mode also available, even with the ultra wide lens. We also have super slow motion. We also have macro mode, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. And lastly, we also have a slow motion as well as a hyperlapse. So all those things it is available on this phone. And also get the front facing camera. This phone again has a 13 megapixel selfie camera. And yes, and the 13 megapixel on the A25 it is much better as compared to the A15. On the front we also have portrait mode. Let's see video recording size. And the front camera only shoot full HD at 30 fps. On the front we should have a 32 megapixel selfie camera on this phone. In the mode section, night mode also available with the front facing camera, and the slow motion it is not available with the front facing camera, as you can see. And now let's talk about the battery size. Again, this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 25-hour super fast charging support. Yes, and this phone it is overpriced in the Pakistan market, and the price of this phone should be around 70,000 PKR because we don't have a curved AMOLED display as well as with a punch hole. Also we have weak 13 megapixel selfie camera, and overall and the screen to body ratio it is also really bad. Again, if you're looking for a Samsung phone in this price range, yes, the Galaxy A25 it is a really good option for you. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Galaxy A25 5G. Do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.